Good afternoon. Today we are going to do early docking with our mother here. You can see now she's doing it. She has to go there where that traffic cop car is standing. There's the pole just behind, just before the traffic cop car. There's a pole. There she's going there now. She's trying to do her best, and I'm happy she got confidence now. You can see there is a traffic cop car behind her. Now she's locking the steering to the right side so that she can get inside the pause. Now she looked to other side to see how is she doing. You can see now there she's getting in. She's getting in there, checking in the mirror. As soon as she see the pause, she stop. Look how straight is the car. She's already inside nicely. She's already inside there nicely. Now she's getting now inside. She's getting inside. She's getting inside. Getting inside. There is the truck inside. There is the truck inside. There's the truck inside. Where's the truck inside? Nice one.